Can we take off thermal paste? Well, we got some yeaster paste right here. Well, you're supposed to put it on your computer CPU, right? And I am not a computer nerd. There's only one way to get to the inside of this thing. So this stuff's super cool, sent in by a fellow follower, thank you very much. So, you are supposed to use this stuff on your CPU, right? This is where it goes, right? On your hard drive, CPU, GPU, you're supposed to rub it in. All right, I think that's really gonna help the computer performance. I'm really excited to test this out as soon as we're done. But before I'm able to do that, we need to see if we can actually remove this yeaster thermal paste from my hand. Slide this sucker out of the way. See? If we can get it off using our all-natural heavy-duty hand soap, made for mechanics, but hell, if you're a gamer and you got this much thermal paste on your hands, then you need some grip clean too. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Can we take off thermal paste? You guys, that is simple. Give me something harder than that.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs.